When you think of Italy, Rome probably comes to mind. This is because it is the capital of Italy and is one of the most visited cities in the world. It has been called the Eternal City, for good reason. It has been around since ancient times. You can still visit many of the ancient Roman structures and monuments today. Welcome to my channel. Whatever your reason for traveling, if you're seeking the top Italian destinations, look no further, you've come to the right place. Before diving into the video, be sure to push the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Rome was founded by Romulus in 753 BC. It became the capital of the Roman Empire in 27 BC. The city grew rapidly after this time, and by the end of the 1st century, it had become the largest city in the world. During the Renaissance, Rome was ruled by a series of different rulers. The Catholic Church became the ruling power of the city and controlled it until it was captured by the Kingdom of Italy in 1870. Today, Rome is still one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. There are many reasons why this is the case. One of the main ones is that there are so many historical sites and museums in the city. You will find some of the best museums in Europe here. These include the Vatican Museums, the Capitoline Museums and the National Museum of Rome. There are also many great sites that have been preserved from ancient times. Some of these include the Pantheon, the Spanish Steps, the Colosseum, and the Trevi Fountain. The Vatican Museums, the Colosseum and the Roman Forum are all very popular. If you want to avoid crowds, try visiting on a weekday. Another thing that makes Rome such a popular tourist destination is that it has an incredible food scene. Many people who come to visit are foodies. This means that they love to eat delicious Italian cuisine. In fact, there are many restaurants and cafes that serve traditional Italian dishes. If you want some authentic Italian food, then you should visit the Trastevere district. This is where many of the best Italian restaurants are located. You can also find a variety of pizzerias and gelaterias here. Well, this ends our video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video.